quiet area, get food, nights of sleep. The Go supermarket was nearby, 5 minutes walk to go get our food. Exceptional clean and neat. Exceptional value for money. Good value. Comfortable room, airco, fridge, Wi-Fi, all good. Fair walking distance to town but plenty to see on the way, especially if you take the local ferry. Alternatively, you can take the bridge. Convenient facilities for a hassle-free stay at an Hotel Can Tho. And Hotel Can Tho offers a range of convenience facilities to ensure a hassle-free and comfortable stay for its guests. With services like laundry service, dry cleaning, and daily housekeeping, guests can easily take care of their laundry needs and enjoy a clean and tidy room throughout their stay. Stay connected with the complimentary Wi-Fi available in all rooms and public areas. Whether you need to catch up on work emails or simply browse the internet, the hotel provides a reliable and high-speed internet connection for your convenience. For those in need of extra amenities or essentials, an Hotel Can Tho also features a convenience store on site. Guests can easily find snacks, drinks, toiletries, and other necessities without having to leave the hotel premises. Additionally, the hotel offers luggage storage facilities, allowing guests to securely store their belongings before check-in or after check-out. This service is especially convenient for those with early arrival or late departure times. With these convenient facilities, an Hotel Can Tho ensures that guests have everything they need for a comfortable and stress-free stay. Convenient transport facilities at an Hotel Can Tho. And Hotel Can Tho offers a range of transport facilities to ensure a convenient and hassle-free stay for its guests. The hotel provides airport transfer services, allowing guests to easily reach the hotel upon arrival in Can Tho. Whether you are traveling for business or leisure, this service ensures a smooth transition from the airport to the hotel, saving you time and effort. In addition to airport transfer, an Hotel Can Tho also offers a spacious car park on site. This facility provides guests with the convenience of having their own vehicle parked securely within the hotel premises. Whether you are driving to the hotel or renting a car during your stay, the on-site car park ensures that you have a safe and easily accessible parking space.